Hey guys, welcome to Beyond the Reels. Today we're going to be reviewing Kahani 2.
Yeah.
Kahani 2, directed by Sujoy Ghosh and starring Vidya Balan and Arjun Rampal in the lead, is not exactly the sequel to the 2012 Kahani, but it does borrow plot points from the 2012 original. The narrative in the first half juggles between the past and the present, which keeps you as an audience engaged. Till the time the interval comes, you want to know what's happening with the leading lady. You want to know how she's handling the situation. But that want and that angst quickly turns into disappointment because the second half unravels conveniently then convincingly. The strength of Kahani was that you would have never guessed the ending in 100 years. But with Kahani 2, you see the end coming from a mile away. Sujoy Ghosh is not able to give us the thriller that we expected when we walked into Kahani 2. Coming to the technical aspects, Sujoy Ghosh's direction packs a solid punch but is let down by some weak writing. The screenplay is all over the place, especially in the second half, and does not do enough to fulfill the expectation. The cinematography is nothing flashy and captures the streets of Kolkata pretty efficiently. The background score is subtle and does not overpower the narrative at all, which is what a thriller always looks for. In the acting department, Arjun Rampal does not really have a lot to do. Vidya Balan, as a lady in distress, does well with a person with dual identity. There's also that contract killer, but she's not as good or eerie as the one that was there in Kahani. Jugal Hansraj, that's right, Jugal Hansraj. You remember him from the old Mohabbatein days. He makes a comeback, but is nothing as menacing as a bad guy. All in all, there is not much for the actors to do, and it does end up with a huge disappointment when you compare it to the 2012 version of its prequel. My final verdict is a thumbs down to Kahani 2. You may be engaged for a little while if you have not watched the original, but if you go out there with the expectation of Kahani, you will be sorely disappointed. The biggest strength of Kahani was a word of mouth that helped it gain a lot of publicity and box office status in 2012. Hey guys, this was Beyond the Reels first movie review. If you've liked it, please do go ahead, share, subscribe and like, and do leave your feedback in the comment section below for us to go ahead and improve on this. Thank you very much. Have a great day.